Welcome to the Happy Rainbow Music channel. My name is Tatiana. I'm a piano teacher with 18 years of experience and a mom of 2 adorable toddlers. My goal is to help parents with teaching their kids how to love music and play piano. Without dynamics, music would be flat and boring. Dynamics offers a way to show expressions in music. They help to drive the emotional content of music through volume and intensity.
Hello everybody.
What do you think? The line making loud sound or soft sound? What do you think? How's the line?
Loud. Look how she opened his mouth.
Yes, and it's very loud.
Yeah, it's really high and his mouth is too high.
And we have a sign. It's called Forte sign. Can you show me Forte sign?
Here we go.
Good, very nice. So the line making loud sound and it's called Forte. Let's say Forte.
Forte sign.
Good job. And we have another animal. What is the animal?
A mouse.
A mouse. What do you think? Mouse makes loud sound or soft sounds?
Soft sound.
Very good. And it's
And
called
it's
called piano. And like mouse makes beep beep beep. The sign is piano.
It's eating a watermelon.
Really? I see. It's eating a watermelon. So mice quietly eating a watermelon. What about elephant?
Elephant makes loud sound too.
Very good.
Yeah.
Can you show me that sign in the picture?
Here it is.
It's called?
Forte sign.
What is it?
Feather.
Look, listen. Is it loud or it's quiet when it's falling down?
Quiet.
Quiet? Yes, it's a quiet.
Yeah.
What's the name of the sound?
Piano.
Listen. Was it loud or soft?
Loud.
Loud. What's the sign?
Forte sign.
Forte, do you want to drop the marbles?
Yeah.
Listen. That was loud.
It was super loud.
It was super loud. So you know how it sounds loud sign, Forte sign, and how it sounds piano sign. Now let's try to draw that. In sensory writing tray, we use colored rice to draw Forte and piano sign. Let's do a piano sign. Watch me. So I do. It's like letter P. Here we go.
You forgot the line. Look, did you see the line?
Great. Can you do it for me?
Yeah.
After theory, we will do practice. I will play a musical example. I will ask Christine to listen and determine the dynamic. Tell me when it's loud and when it's quiet. Loud or quiet?
Loud.
Good. Let's keep listening. And now?
Quiet.
It's a quiet. How it's called sign?
Piano sign.
Good job. Listen. Tell me when it's going to be loud again.
Loud. Loud.
Loud? How we call this sign?
Forte sign.
Good job, Christine. Did you like this music?
Yeah. Not really.
Not really? Why?
Because I didn't like it. Because I was hurting my ears.
Like the video and subscribe to my channel.